If you are a supporter, let me show you some useful extra features. The purpose of the Quick Help feature is to provide instant solutions for common issues or complaints whenever possible. The user first sees a suggested solution. If this does not answer their problem, they can continue with submitting a report. Let's see how this works in practice. The Quick Help feature is connected to categories. More precisely, to subcategories and a specific language. First, create a category, for example, General Problems. This category will only be available in the selected language. Next, create subcategories that describe typical problems or complaints. This list can be modified or extended at any time. After that, go to the Quick Help menu. Create a new help entry. These entries are shown only in the selected language. Link the help entry to one or more subcategories. This way, the same solution can be used for multiple problems. Finally, the category needs to be linked to the QR code. When the reporting interface is opened, these options appear first. The user selects one and immediately receives a suggested solution. In the ideal case, this already solves the issue, and no report is needed. If the user still does not find a solution, they can proceed with submitting a report. Another useful feature can be found in the Statistics submenu. Here you get a visual overview of the number of reports. In the Settings submenu, you can customize the appearance of the reporting interface. You can change colors, upload a logo and cover image, and define which additional information appears on the reporting page.